I'm Mélissa, and I'm inviting you to move your body with me. Here we go. So first, let's start by moving our head. Let's start by looking up to the ceiling or the clouds, and down to your toes, and up to the ceiling and clouds, and down to your toes, to the clouds, to your toes, clouds, toes, clouds, toes, clouds, toes, clouds, toes, clouds, toes, and nod your head and say, uh-huh, uh-huh, say uh-huh, 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 say uh-huh, 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 and look over one shoulder, and the other shoulder, and look over one shoulder, and the other shoulder, to shoulder, 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 and shoulder, 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 and say uh-uh, 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 uh-uh. Good. Now let's get our shoulders moving. Speaking of shoulders, get those shoulders moving forward, get them moving backwards. If you're feeling groovy with it, yeah, you can get groovy with it. Now we're moving our shoulders forward and we're bending our knees, and we are gonna get on the train and say chugga, 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 bend those chugga knees, chugga, 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 choo, choo. I don't know, I think we can go a little faster. Let's get faster on that train, bending those knees, and chugga, 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 choo, choo. What do you think? Super fast? Let's do it. Super duper fast, and chugga, 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 choo, choo. I think we should bring this train into the station going real slow. Really slow, and bend those knees. Chugga. How low can you go? Chugga. 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 Who can go the lowest? Chugga. 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 Super slow. Chugga. Chugga. Chugga, chugga, choo, choo. Virtual high five. Okay, now I want you to stand as straight as you can. Stand in a straight line, and on the count of 3, we're gonna make a star shape. We're gonna jump into a star shape, like this, jumping into a star shape. All right, straight lines. Okay, on the count of 3, we're gonna jump into a star. 1, 2, 3, star. Okay, on the count of 3, jump into a straight line. 1, 2, 3, straight line. On the count of 3, star. 1, 2, 3, star. Straight line. Star. Straight line. Star. Straight line. Star. Straight line. Good. Now, can you do a squiggly line? Make a squiggly line. Good. Good. Can you move your whole body like it's made out of spaghetti? What if your entire body was made out of spaghetti? Your neck is spaghetti. Your shoulders are spaghetti. Your knees are spaghetti. There's spaghetti in your shoes. Everything's spaghetti. Now, can you move your body like you're a robot? Robot. What does a robot sound like? Beep, beep, boop. Make your robot sounds. Beep, bop, boop, beep, boop, bop, bop, boop, beep, beep. Boop, bop, boop, bop. Good, and spaghetti. Spaghetti. Spaghetti shoulders, spaghetti fingers. And robot. Boop, beep, bop, boop, bop, bop, beep, beep, boop, bop, boop, bop, boop, bop. Check that out. Okay, this is gonna be our last one for this video. I want you to get as small as you can. Imagine that you are a tiny, tiny little seed. Take up as little space as you can. Get super duper small. So small. And we are going to grow like big, big trees. We're gonna count to 10. We're gonna grow like a big tree and 10 counts. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, Spread your branches. Let your branches wave in the breeze. Good. What kind of tree are you? All right, now I'm gonna count to 8, and we're gonna get small, small, small back to our seats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm gonna count to 6, and we're gonna get big, 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 grow like trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, stretch, 6. Yes, let the breeze wave your branches. Now, can you guess what number we're gonna count to next? We did 10, 8, 6, 4 is next. And 4 counts, we're gonna get as small as we can. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you guessed it, we're gonna do 2 counts to get as big as we can. Here we go. 1, 2. Good. Now let's get as small as we can in 2 counts. 1, 2. As big as you can in 2 counts. 1, 2. Now as small as you can in 1 count. Ready? And 1. As big as you can. Ready? And 1. Good. Now make your fingers, your whole body, and your whole face as big as you can. And shake everything. Shake, 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 shake. Shake. Give a bow. Let's do some deep breaths together. I'm gonna use my hands like ice cream scoopers to scoop the air around me. I'm gonna do a big deep breath. Let it out. Another. This is our last breath together. And now give yourself a squeeze and a pat on the back. Thanks for joining. See you next time.